Lovelies, the biggest mistake that creators are doing right now, especially in 2026, where everybody has known that there is money on social media, is to chase views, is to chase followers, and to chase subscribers other than chasing money. In today's video, we are going to see that because it is now known that there is money on social media, creators and especially the beginners are chasing more of unvariable content. They are chasing more of views instead of chasing variable content and variable audiences. You guys, social media pays, but there are some niches that don't just go viral, but they pay high. And there are some niches that go viral and they pay nothing or less. So guys, good morning. Hope you're all doing well. Good afternoon and good evening from wherever you're watching us from, depending on the time of your location. This is Christine and it's a disclaimer. You guys, this video is for education purposes. So get this 2 to 10% of the tips I'm giving you. Run and make some research. Dive in if you can. If you don't, leave it. But it's an educational video. It's not tagged with any showering.
Online as a topic and a niche is one of the niche that makes advertisers pay a high CPM worldwide. When we're talking about CPM influences RPM, and CPM is cost per mile. Cost per mile, that is amount of money that advertisers pay per 1,000 views. And when we're talking about 1,000 views, we're talking about 1,000 qualified that are engaging, that are from qualified viewers. It's where you can qualify to earn this CPM. So you will be asking yourself, what are these topics if we are talking about finance and making money online? Topics like saving money. Just I dare you, start teaching us how to save money, and you'll see how you attract the advertisers that they will pay you highly. Investing. What do you think you can do with $1,000 if you're in Africa, if you're in Gulf, you're in Asia, you're in Europe? Do you think can you invest $1,000 and get profit? I'm trying to show you the topics that can make you attract the high CPM. You can even say you can concentrate on the investment of any kind. Then we have online business. Online business is common. These are different topics. By the way, if you're interested in any of these topics, write in the comment section. I'll bring for you a video on it. Then we have passive income. Passive income, it is something that every creator or every person out there longs to have. What is passive income? Passive income is like being at home and you find the money is working for you. The system is working for you. There's no saying that if I don't go to work, I'll not work. If I don't use my energy, I'll not work. If I don't dance a challenge, I'll not be paid. No, it's not like that. Even in your sleep, passive income will pay you. So this is part of the finance and making money online. Then we have credit cards and banking. Credit cards and banking. If you follow me on Facebook, yesterday I put a post on credit power, and I came to put it there because I saw one of my friend. She is reaping a lot of money from these topics: credit power, credit card, banking. Please, why do they give you money? They give you money like the way I told you, because the advertisers that pay ads on your videos would be the premium. They will be those advertisers that are willing to spend, not those people that will give you but they are selling shoes, they are selling ghee, they are selling pancakes, they are selling bedding. No, those people will not pay Google to put enough money on. But if you invest in this, you'll thank me later. Then brands in finance, you guys, they pay heavily because viewers that view these videos, they have potential to buy. In other words, they are potential customers with spending power. Technology and AI. Technology and AI, these tools are exploding right now. If you don't have any topic, I'm very happy I've seen everybody right now, even the people, I'm sorry to say this, even the people who are mocking us when we are beginning, what does she do? She's always on YouTube. She's always on camera. I've seen you. Welcome to the club. This is what I longed for. It's like our mission, our objective for people to come online, for people to know that you can monetize YouTube. It is reaching. So if you're just starting right now, invest your energy into technology and AI. If you know is your area of favor, like is the area of like. If you like it, why not go there? So if we are talking about ChatGPT, they pay. If you put any video about ChatGPT, it will come when it is superb as far as payment is concerned. If you're talking about smartphones, your topics on apps, your topics on gadgets, your topics on tutorial software, bet it, you're going to get enough money. You guys, we always see that tech companies, they have huge budgets compared to these companies like retail, shipping. But with tech companies, they will pay enough money because they want to get right customers. So the advertising, the sponsorship, the affiliate marketing, it comes with huge attached budgets. So go for that one. When we say the health and fitness niche, this niche is, imagine right now, I'm holding a glass. This glass is, it has a drink that is healthy. How is it healthy? It is organic. It makes you relieved. You can even feel the way you feel like sleeping. It has no sugars attached. And in fact, it even beautifies your body. You'll have the glow that I have. You can see, this is my glow. It is out of this. This is how healthy it is. It cuts your age from 28, you look like 16, 12. No, I'm not advertising for the drink. I'm trying to show you what the world right now wants. The world, they are thinking about gym. Today they were telling me my hand is paining, and I was being told it's because you stopped gym. Just imagine, gymnation is leading, weight loss is leading. That's why you see the market is flooded with things of weight loss. I think I need to make a pound of weight loss. I have Immaculate drink, and this Immaculate drink, it curbs down your weight. If you want it, it will be branded very soon. Put it in the comment section. I'll give you the recipe free. Then we have healthy living. Healthy living, if you see on the screen. Now, most of my foods are not fried. So if you're talking about such foods, you're going to find yourself attracting people who will spend more because they love their wealth. Okay, so if you're talking about mental wellness is one of the things that now is also a top-notch topic. Why? Because most people, really mentally, people are going into depression. So if you can talk about it, if your stories, your testimonies, this one will be very great. Nutrition, like the way I said about healthy living and nutrition is almost the same. Then fitness motivation. When we're talking about fitness motivation, I'm a kind of a lady that goes to work a 9-hour job. So when I pay gym, you find myself, sometimes I get lazy to go. So suppose there's someone who has a motivational channel about it, fitness motivation, because you have to keep fit. The moment you don't keep fit, even if you have which amount of money, you might lose it. You might leave it here, and other people will take care. So the niche attracts brand deals. This is the good thing with it. It attracts brand deals because brands will look for you. It attracts coaching opportunities. People will call you and give you those opportunities. Even products will call you to use their products as samples. Business and entrepreneurship. Content that teaches people how to grow business, how to start business, how to perform better, how to use be better financially with small money, they are being paid highly. You talk an example of entrepreneurship lifestyle. If you start a topic like that or a niche, business ideas, it pays high. If you ever see on my channel, there's a business idea, like 10 business ideas that you can start in Uganda. Know that they have paid me very highly as far as CPM is concerned. Marketing tips, productivity tips, freelancing, digital skills, these ones are all. The audience usually is attracted by these ones. And the moment it is attracted, also it attracts advertisers who premiumly pay high. So go for this. The last but not least, the fifth one. This is one of the best that you will not go wrong. It's about education and skill-based content. Teaching various skills is highly marketable and rewarding in long term. Why? Because it remains passive. Like video editing, graphic design, content creation, language teaching, photography, all these ones are long term, and I can call they are part of passive niches. So you should go for them. The more you put content that solves a problem, the more valuable your audience will be. However much you see you're not going viral, but you'll be paid well. So from today, don't create random content. This is my advice. For entertainment only, no. Build some content that it can solve some problems around